Alright, so I finally got the case. Got all the diff parts in there and whatnot. There you go. Now you can see it much better. They're all new gears and everything, and I was gonna super glue or JB weld that. Then I found, oh crap, where'd it go? Hold on. Look it up again just a second. I know it's terrible quality. Oh, well, that cleared up a little bit. A diff lock posy spool. Check this thing out. That goes right there where all the gears go. Just goes right through there. And you just put your main gear on. And yeah. That's how you do it. So, that'll be pretty cool. And look at that. I bought the last one. It was $8.43, but it was $10.38 with shipping. It was $1 something for shipping, so yeah. And I'm still waiting till Tuesday or Friday or Monday or something because I can't get direct depositing on my checks from work, so I'm gonna have to wait till Monday to order this. Sucks. But I'll order that on Monday. Grand total of 106, 37, and yeah. Then we'll have the rear diff locked. Shit, I do the front. Well, if they had two, I'd have bought another one, but they didn't. Oh well. So yeah, just wait for that part to come in and see y'all then.